guys, it's Cheryl with WTI, and I am having trouble finding cat litter. I don't know if anybody else is, but I've always used Fresh Step, so I wanted to stay with the brand because my cats are used to it. And I went with this lightweight, extreme odor formula, and it really actually has been, I was pleasantly surprised because it helps to eliminate the odors from my cats. I have 2 of them, and I do like the way that it is lightweight. The other ones were a little bit heavy. This seems to be a little bit lighter weight, and it eliminates all the odors from my cat using their box. So this is the litter box. It is Fresh Step lightweight. It is actually lighter. I've always used Fresh Step, but like I said, I'm having trouble finding the one I normally use. It has Febrezein in it for freshness, and it says it's 99% dust free. I really have noticed a lower amount of dust in my house. So you just want to take it. It has a nice handle that you can do, and you just pour it in. And even when you pour it, you can notice there's not a lot of dust. So far, even though we've had to change, my cats haven't noticed. They haven't minded that we've had to change litter. It's worked out great. There's a nice fresh Febreze scent to it. And I think that this might be a good litter that we're going to continue with. So if you have indoor cats and they have a litter box, I highly suggest this Fresh Step Lightweight Extreme. It has worked great for us, and I know it will for you. However, that is just my point of view.